it's like 3 miles.
Generally considered a moderately challenging route, this is a very popular area for hiking, blah blah blah. Open year round, blah blah blah. Okay. Do you need me to download this or something?
Nope.
Oh, you just need to know how far it was?
Yeah. For your sake. So, if we want to make it today, we have to hike quicker.
My legs only go so fast.
I know how fast you walk in the morning.
I've used all my energies today. Is that 2.4 miles one way?
Yeah.
So we're hiking 6 miles today? With no snacks?
8. We'll be hungry for dinner.
It's killing me. I would have eaten more had I known. I'm already winded. Is it okay the whole way? You're freaking killing me. I like how you prefaced it. Oh, it's a short drive away. It's a short drive away. Imagine that's a freaking intense hike. I don't know. I might not. I might die right here before we make it to this waterfall. We'll get to it. Hold this for a second. Just wait for this. Where are you going?
This way out.
Is that the way that it goes?
There's no sign of where.
Oh, my gratitude.
That one goes straight up the mountain. Looks like this one probably has a couple switchbacks and meets up with the same. So I'm guessing that's the trail.
Oh, my gratitude. We died in the wilderness. Just know I had a good life. I'm dying. I'm not made for this. And according to this stupid rock, we're only 1/3 of the way. I'm gonna cry. I might throw up. I'm a lot of fun to hike with. We made it. I made it. Thought I was gonna die a few times.
I can only imagine what it'd be like. Oh, every time it would bring me to life. I can only imagine what it'd be like,
Piece of cake. No big deal. I don't know why he complained the whole way. I made it back to the truck. My legs are jello. My whole body hurts. So there's that.